In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning image gallery on your Wix website. We'll walk through the entire process using the Wix editor or Studio in Google Chrome, and by the end of this video, you'll have a beautiful customized gallery ready to showcase your photos. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Wix editor or Studio, preferably in Google Chrome for the best experience. Once your website editor is loaded, you'll want to locate the Add button, which is typically found on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various options for adding elements to your site. From this menu, select Gallery. This is where the magic happens. After you've clicked on Gallery, you'll be presented with a variety of gallery styles to choose from. There's a range of options available, such as grid, slider, and masonry. Each style offers a unique way to display your images, so take a moment to consider which style best fits the aesthetic you're going for on your website. For instance, a grid layout is great for keeping things clean and organized, while a slider can add some dynamic movement to your site. Once you've picked your gallery style, it's time to add your images. You can either upload new photos directly from your computer or choose images you've previously uploaded to your media library. If you're uploading new images, make sure they are high quality and optimized for web use to keep your site loading quickly and looking great. Now that you've got your images uploaded or selected, it's time to customize your gallery. This is where you can really make it your own. You can adjust the layout settings to change the order and arrangement of your photos, tweak the spacing between images to get the look you want, and add effects like hover animations to make your gallery interactive and engaging. Don't be afraid to play around with these settings to see what looks best. Once you're happy with how your gallery looks, the next step is to save your changes. To do this, simply click the Save button at the top right corner of your screen. But don't stop there. Make sure to publish your updates as well, so they go live on your website. Click Publish to make your new gallery visible to the world. And there you have it. You've successfully created a beautiful image gallery on your Wix website, ready for all your visitors to enjoy. With just a few clicks, you've added a dynamic and visually stunning element to your site that can greatly enhance user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!